Hello friends, welcome to Smart Learning Portal. Today I am going to discuss the topic related to quadratic equations where there is root. So it's more complicated when compared to others when the coefficient or the numbers are root 3x. Okay, so what to do? Here there is root 3, it is root 3. Take the square of the root term. So root 3 square 3. Constant term must be divided by 3 or the square of the number which contain the root. So 160, so then avoid this. So remaining is 15x 162 by 3. So it's 3 5s are then for 54 and you must get minus 15 when added, and when multiplied you should get 54. So 54 you should take the LCM. 27 to 3 9. So you can combine this to 3 into 2 6 and 9 6 minus. So when added you will get minus 15, when multiplied you will get 54. Okay, minus, here it is minus. When you take the root, this minus will go. If it's plus, when you take the root, the plus will go and minus will come, the reverse process. So the answer is 9 6, not 9 6. What was the root term? Root 3, and that must be added here. 9 root 3 and 6 root 3. So this is your answer. Same procedure, but the 3 and that root 3 term or any term which contain the root should be squared. Step at the final step, that root term must be added to it. That's all. So hope you loved my method. Try to subscribe my channel, share it with your friends. Thank you.